Ever wondered what happens when you sneeze? Let's break it down. A sneeze starts when irritants like dust or pollen enter your nose. Your body thinks it's a threat. Your brain sends signals to your respiratory system, telling it to clear out the irritant. The result? A powerful burst of air from your lungs through your nose and mouth. That's a sneeze. Sneezing is your body's way of getting rid of something that doesn't belong. It's a reflex action, meaning it happens automatically. And guess what? Sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour and spread tiny droplets. That's why covering your mouth is super important. So next time you sneeze, remember to do it into a tissue or your elbow to keep germs at bay. Stay healthy, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.